So these bears
Well, you
look
see,
so happy.
when Mama Bear and Daddy Bear love each other.
Shush! Oh.
These are the bears and the bees.
No, just stop. I don't know what to say.
Welcome back, Ramblers. We have just ported into Ward Cove. The old mill at Ward Cove will be the place where we catch a shuttle to the first stop of our Alaska cruise.
Hello, Ramblers. We have made it to Ketchikan, Alaska. And now basically we've already learned it is a lot different on Norwegian than it was in Holland America. We had to be shuttled in. So just so you know, if you're with Norwegian or probably a couple other ships, you're going to have to take a shuttle into town.
It took us 20 minutes to get here, and the benefit to having an excursion, you cut the lines for the mass haul over to Ketchikan to make your appointment for the excursion.
Yeah, we were put into a van with about 10 other people, maybe 15.
Yeah.
And so that was really nice. If you're tempted into doing an excursion, that might be the plus for you. Otherwise, you'll be in a little bit longer line. You'll get on a big shuttle bus. But we were shuttled in here. We did the Lumberjack Show. And the reason why we did the Lumberjack Show this time is because last time we were here, and we have another video on Ketchikan. So if you watch both of them, we should have you covered. This time, we decided to go ahead and add in the Lumberjack Show because we could hear them having such a good time last time when we were walking through town.
And then everyone we seen back on the ship, they were saying what a great time they had.
It's about an hour show. They incorporate everything for everybody who's watching, so they bring you into the show and you're cheering for your lumberjacks.
Well, it's USA versus Canada, and see who's the best.
Who's going to take the victory with Baby Rock Shotgun and Shiny?
Yeah.
Go USA.
It was a cute little show. And so honestly, you know, for something to do for the whole family, why not? Especially because this is still a small area, so you're still not going to have a lot to do around town. Mm-hmm. So I would say the Lumberjack Show was very adorable, really cute. It was fun. I'm glad we did it. Mm-hmm. And yeah,
I don't regret it at all.
Yeah, I'm glad we did it. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to show you a little bit of this area again. Our other video has a tour that we did at Dolly's house and tells you all about what Dolly's house is. We also went to a brewery or two. This time we're going to do a few different things just to show you what else you can do in the area. Let's go check out more of Creek Street and the area around.
Dolly said he wasn't any better than the chief of police. Dolly's words, not mine. And I'm just tour guide Dolly, dress up only.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
And in her bedroom, ladies, she's got this big glass case. Top left inside of that glass case is one of the very first electric vibrators ever made in 1910. It's actually quite scary looking. It's got teeth on there. I tell everybody, I think she used it to bonk those guys on the head to get them out of the house. And, well, everybody tells me that I'm on YouTube. I was surprised. I didn't think I was famous.
Take care. See ya. Still here.
Yeah, she's still here, she remembered our visit from last time. We had a great time there. When you're here in Ketchikan, definitely visit Creek Street and go see Dolly's house. It is a true slice of Alaskan history, especially right here.
So when you're at the end of the Creek Street and Merryman's Trail, you'll end up where the fish ladder is. And this fish ladder can be a lot of fun to watch, especially during the peak season. Usually August, September, you'll see all the salmon in here climbing that ladder, and it's very entertaining. Right now, nothing's going on, but one thing is we did end up with a fast-flowing creek this time. There is a lot of snow up in the mountains, and I have a feeling it's starting to melt. Something we never talked about is this is an island. Ketchikan is an island.
Yeah, it is a complete island. It's 31 miles from the top to the bottom, or bottom to the top, however you want to look at it, and everything has to be either flown in or barged in by boat. You can't get here by road, and you can drive up to a point and then take a ferry into Ketchikan, but there are no direct roads.
So we've just walked after we left Merryman's Trail. We've only been walking for about 5 to 7 minutes, and the street signs will tell you of locations, and it was telling us Totem Heritage Center, and then there's this cute little park here. So if you're kind of getting a little tired and burned out from a lot of people on the cruise ship, there is nobody here. We're like all alone in this beautiful park, and you can hear the creek running. It's peaceful, fresh air. I mean, this is really nice. It's just so quiet. And so now we're gonna head into the Heritage Center. I think this could be part of people's packages if you wanted it to be. This is last minute for us. We just wanna see what else is in Ketchikan that we haven't seen already. Totem poles in the area are so unique because a totem pole will tell you a story. We decided not to go in, but it was only $5 a person, but we have a few more things we wanna check out around town. But it is a really nice option.
And if you don't want to walk to it, it looks like there's a bus that runs every 20 minutes that can pick you up from downtown Ketchikan and drop you off right here. Down the street from here was Baden Brewery, so let's go check that out, see if it's open or closed. Okay, well, unfortunately, it's a bust. Baden Street Brewery is closed, but if you want to see Baden Street Brewery, go check it out in our last video from Ketchikan. Right now, we're going to get some coffee. How about an Americano, the largest one I can carry out of here, and then a mocha. Yes, please. We got a mocha and an Americano, the biggest size we could get, because we need coffee right now.
We are at Island Brew Cafe, and we knew we were in a mission for some yummy coffee and just to sit down and take a break for a minute at the cafe. This is right at the end of Married Man Trail and the whole Creek Street area. They have several places, but this is a little bit off a couple blocks, and I knew it'd be peaceful and quiet, and it is. So we're helping you out if you want to go somewhere for a nice cup of coffee and just to chill out for a little bit. And they told me that biscuits just came out of the oven. Check this out.
Yeah, I threw in some butter and some jam for the biscuit, and we're set up. Crunchy, soft, golden.
We just had the best service, and the coffee is great. Watching him take his time making the coffee, you knew it was gonna be good. See, Ron and Jody sent you from just rambling around.
Hey,
We'll get some coffee.
There's some people, I think I just spotted some YouTubers.
You know what this means? This means we're heading for some beers or some cocktails. Now the party's gonna start. Here we go. So these bears look so happy.
When Mama Bear and Daddy Bear love each other.
Shush up.
These are the bears and the bees.
No, just stop. I don't know what to say. Okay, listen, there are some happy bears in this area, so we're gonna go find out what's going on and get the story. We're gonna go inside the bar and do some research.
I got us a treat. Got us all a treat.
Oh my.
Look at this. Beware geeks bearing gifts. Choose your own adventure.
Okay, I definitely want green or orange.
Scott, it's your choice.
Go ahead, Scott, your turn.
Okay, and here we go.
Cheers. Jello shots on camera.
Jello shots.
I never can do this.
Jody, you gotta use your tongue.
I know you can do better than that, darling.
Don't tell anybody. I can't do these things.
Thanks for hanging out with us for a little while.
Oh, it's awesome.
I know.
Thank you, Ron.
Oh no, thank you.
No, maybe it's lucky me.
Great little pit stop, had some icy cold beer. We actually went with the Kona longboard.
We had a Hawaiian beer in Alaska, you know, change things up a bit.
Yeah.
Had a nice time there. Everybody's so friendly. I love hanging out with
I love
locals.
the local bars.
Love local bars.
Yeah.
We're gonna find a shuttle because we're with Norwegian. We are shuttled in and out of this area.
Not bad, but not good either. I'd rather just walk off the ship and right into Ketchikan like we did with Holland America.
Yeah.
So convenient. But we're here, that's all that matters, and it's a great place to hang out.
Yep, so we're gonna head back to the ship now. This was very simple, easy, casual day here in Ketchikan. And like I said, we have a whole bunch of stuff on the last video of Ketchikan, and hopefully this is enough to give you a few more ideas.
This is made for like little bitty fellers.
We're on a double-decker bus heading back to the ship.
Thanks for watching Ketchikan Ramblers, but the fun does not stop here. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We have a lot more to show you. We have so many ports. We have Icy Strait. We have Glacier Bay, Sitka. We have Juneau, Skagway, and Victoria, BC. Then we're going to have our bar crawl video, visiting 16 bars on the ship, and to wrap up the entire Alaska cruise series, we're going to give you our review. Will we cruise out of the port of Seattle again, or will we cruise out of the port of Vancouver again? And we're going to let you know what we think about the Norwegian Joy. Thanks for watching, Ramblers, and if you're not a Rambler yet, click subscribe and you automatically become a Rambler. It's free. Nothing's for free anymore now these days. This is free. Click the bell, stay up to date on notifications. We have a lot of videos heading your way, and you don't want to miss any of them. Thanks again, Ramblers.